Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create vector oriental traditional wave pattern in Adobe Illustrator. Draw a circle shape. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Press Shift and Alt key to reduce circle shape to small circle. Select both circles. Go to Object menu and Blend options. Spacing specified steps 6. Again, go to Object menu and Blend and make Alt Ctrl B. Use Direct Selection tool, shortcut A to select anchor points and cut Ctrl X. Use Eyedropper tool, shortcut I to pick color. Go to Object menu and expand. Select Object, Fill and Stroke. Ungroup. Shift Ctrl G. Stroke weight 2 point. Drag shape with Alt key for duplicate shape. Ctrl D for repeat duplicate shape. Give different colors to shapes. You can give color with eyedropper tool. Group Ctrl G. Drag shape with Alt key for duplicate shape. Ctrl D for repeat duplicate shape. Finally, your wave ornament pattern design background is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create oriental traditional wave pattern design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.